Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll create browser profiles with built-in proxies to manage your Instagram accounts without risk of bans. Open your workspace. Multilogin offers a clean interface with drag-and-drop organization, hotkeys, and fast navigation. Click Create to start a new browser profile. Name your profile. Use tags and notes to group your Instagram profiles. This makes it easier to manage clients, regions, or campaigns. Choose your Startup tab, Browser Core, Storage option, and OS environment. Mobile profile emulation is available if you need a mobile-first setup for Instagram. Open the Proxy tab. Select Residential or Mobile Proxy. Multilogin includes built-in access to 30 million IPs from 150-plus countries, so you can match each profile to the correct region. If required, choose an ISP to match real network conditions. Set fingerprint parameters as needed. Multilogin uses 55-plus fingerprint controls to make each profile appear as a real user. Save this configuration as a template if you plan to create more Instagram profiles later. Click Create to finalize your setup. Your Instagram profile is ready to launch. You can also use the AI-powered quick actions for batch profile creation. Describe what you need, and Multilogin builds the profiles automatically. Let's launch your first Instagram profile. A verification window will appear. Check your IP, time zone, and system details before logging in. Now you can create or log into your Instagram accounts. Thanks for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage hundreds of Instagram accounts and scale your workflows with confidence. Start your trial today.